Hi there, so it's Aviv again from PrimeKit, and this feature is just amazing. So I'm glad to share with you the new feature of announcements in PrimeKit. And what it allows you to do, it's the ability to give your sub accounts and announcements like the system is yours. So you can give them professional announcements that will pop up right here or other section that I'll show you in a second. And the best part is that you can get and see who approved, who dismissed, who accept the terms, and we did it. And I want to share with you before I'm going into the feature itself why it's very important to you as an agency owner of GHL and what's the idea behind it. I'm telling you, it's very important. So why I created this, it's because if you go here, this is the login page of GoHighLevel. And you see here, by signing in, you agree to our terms and conditions. So according to GDPR, and I'll just show it to you right here on the screen, it's not good enough. Actually, it's not compliant to the GDPR terms. By the GDPR, and I send emails to about it for GHL, the user must to have a checkbox here and actively accept it, actively agree. And unfortunately, you cannot change put JavaScript code in this section. So what we did is we actually make this announcement, and we can create that the user will must to agree to the terms and actively do that, and we can see who agreed, not agreed, and we can use it for many more reasons. Okay, so let's start. As you can see, this is the way it looks, and let's delete it. Let's start from fresh. Okay, so let's create new announcements. There are three types of announcements. So here we have the title, here we have the content. You can add also links and redirect them to other places. And we have type, info, success, warning, danger. It will also change the color, and it gives them this effect that you want to create. And we have here three different types of display type. Okay, you can see also and read here what each one of them does. And you can see here. So we have the pop-up. I'll show you here at the screen what it looks like. And it can match for some types of, in some ways. We have the banner, which is right here. Okay, by the way, in the pop-up, I can select where it will pop. Okay, top right, top left, center, we can do that. Banner, it will be automatically, I'm showing it to you right now how it looks like. And it will be right here at the top. And modal, this is how it looks like. This is great for terms and conditions stuff, or if you want the user to agree. This is great for this stuff. You can do it also in the banner. So let's create just one. Let's create the model just for a second. So let's create and put it like title test, title, and test content. All right. So here I have the option to see who will be able to see this notification, announcements, all the users, admin only, user only. I can select, I can choose. I can select that it will be pop-up only for specific sub-accounts or all the sub-accounts, whatever. Here I can, the behavior options. So can the user allow, can he dismiss or not dismiss? Okay, so think about it. You want to update your terms and conditions so you will be safe legally. And you can do that. So if I remove this, the user will not be able to get rid of the announcement until he agrees to the announcement, which is great. Okay, so I want to remove that just for this kind of test. Stay until manually dismissed. Let's keep that. require user approval, okay? So if I click here, you can see, one second, approval bottom text. If I can put any text that I want here. If you keep it empty, then it's just gonna be like approve, okay? So let's say I agree, okay? And here I can select on like date range, okay? So I can select, I want until here, this hour, until here, this hour, and you can see it's here. If I remove it and keep it empty, it will be until he agrees or do whatever you select to do. And also, if you're gonna open a new sub account and a new user will add to the system, he will see these announcements, which is great. Okay, so let's do it. Let's click. And as you can see, here it is. And we can click refresh. Refreshing, boom. Okay. Now, if I click here on the screen, nothing will happen. I can't use the system until I click I agree. Okay, great. So there you have it, and let me show you what happens. So as you can see, two things happen. First of all, here I can see view interactions. I can see here the name of the client, his email, the status approved. I can see the date, the time, and his IP address, okay? This is amazing for you guys. So let's say, I don't want to think about it, but you know, we're in a business world. So let's say the user wants to sue you. And he said, I didn't agree to this, and yada, yada, yada. You can tell him, here it is. This is the terms that you agreed to. This is the date. This is the hour. This is the IP. There you go. You are being saved. You can see who read it, who dismissed, who approved, and you can see everything, and you can also export it to CSV. So you have entire database of who agrees, who didn't. You can do that. And for the user, he can see that too. So as you can see, we have here an icon, and this is the user sees this too. He can see which one he accepted, which one he didn't, and everything is very clear for both of the sides. I want to show you real quick, like you can make, by the way, multiple announcements. Okay, so let's just write some gibberish and let me show you the pop-up. So if I do the pop-up, let's keep it on the bottom right, and let's do this, create announcements. You know what, let's make it green. Update because I made it green. Great. Make refresh. You see? Very cool, very friendly, it looks amazing. I must say, great job for our team. So they really nailed it. And let's create the banner. Let's make it red. Okay. And again, just gibberish, yada yada yada. Create announcement. Let's do refresh. Boom! Guys, it's amazing. Okay, I'm telling you, it helps me a lot in my agency. For other agencies that I got, like people who used it in PrimeKit. And yeah, so of course, if you haven't tried PrimeKit yet, just click here on the description and you can try PrimeKit for 14 days trial, no credit card required, fully free, just use it. You can use every feature in PrimeKit. You can see in our YouTube channel, we have a lot of features to make your agency better. And yeah, see you in the next one. Bye bye.